All right, a little bit different than last time I did this. I have Pixie with me instead of Lily and Levi. And also, because of weather, which there's a ton of bad weather coming in, we're just gonna do the first 1,000 feet of Guadalupe Mountain Peak Trail, which is about a mile, but I say only 1,000. It's gonna be tough. It will be. The first mile is actually the hardest out of the 4.2 miles to Guadalupe Peak. I'm hoping we can do it in about an hour, maybe a little bit more, just to meet her scouting requirement. Here we go. You ready?
Yeah.
Pick one. All right, let's go. First of our switchbacks, which I can't do poles and switchbacks. Maybe that's just me.
I think there's something over there. See for yourself.
I see the riverbed that carved all of this. She doesn't know it yet, but we just hit 1,000 feet. Hey, a few more steps. You know what you just did? 1,000 feet. Yay! All right, Pixie is stirring up her creme brulee. Well, my Jetboil is boiling. She just needed cold water. I needed and hot. Maybe I'll have a coffee while I'm at it. You gonna take a taste?
Well, it hasn't been 10 minutes yet.
That's true. All right, it's time to go back. Was it tough?
Yes.
Was it worth it?
Kind of.
What was harder, going up or going down?
Going up.
And would you recommend this to a friend?
Most likely not.
All right, well, let's finish up. I can see our motorhome right down the path.